Video opens with a rapid-fire montage of breathtaking, high-definition drone shots, vast golden fields stretching to the horizon, followed by close-ups of sleek, autonomous harvesters moving with precision, then data streams flowing across glowing screens, and finally, a robotic arm gently plucking a ripe strawberry. The visuals are fast-paced, cinematic, and accompanied by a driving, futuristic soundtrack. For centuries, humanity has toiled the earth, mechanizing, planting, and perfecting irrigation. But for the longest time, one critical stage remained largely untouched by advanced automation. The harvest. We've poured our innovation into getting crops into the ground. But what about getting them out efficiently, intelligently, and sustainably? Now, it's harvesting's turn. We are on the cusp of Harvest 4.0, a complete paradigm shift, integrating digital, connected, and autonomous systems into the very fabric of agriculture. This isn't just an upgrade. It's a $10 billion revolution already underway, quietly reshaping our food systems. Welcome to the Fields of Innovation YouTube channel. Smart farming starts here. Discover the future of agriculture, where we share information about technology applied in agriculture. Today, we're diving deep into why harvesting matters more than ever. The global challenge facing agriculture is monumental. We are grappling with unprecedented labor shortages across continents, intensified by a rapidly changing climate that disrupts traditional farming cycles. Food security is not just a buzzword, it's a pressing concern for billions. Manual harvesting, once the backbone of agriculture, is increasingly inefficient and costly. Consider the shrinking farm workforce in the UK, the US, and Australia. It's a crisis that directly impacts our ability to feed growing populations. The rising costs associated with these inefficiencies are passed down the chain, affecting consumers and farmer livelihoods alike. Yet, amidst this challenge, there's incredible opportunity. The market for agricultural machinery, particularly smart solutions, is experiencing exponential growth, signaling a definitive shift towards a more resilient, technology-driven future. It's an urgent problem, but also a fertile ground for innovation. So, how exactly does this revolution work? Let's break down the groundbreaking technologies driving Harvest 4.0. First up, robotics and autonomous machinery are leading the charge. Imagine driverless combines gliding seamlessly across vast wheat fields, or delicate robotic arms meticulously picking ripe berries with unparalleled speed and precision. These machines aren't just replacing human labor, they're optimizing tasks that were once prone to human error and fatigue. Next, we have IoT sensors, the eyes and ears of the modern farm. These tiny, powerful devices monitor everything from soil, moisture, and nutrient levels to ambient temperature, sending real-time data directly to farmers' devices. This constant stream of information allows for hyper-localized decision-making, ensuring every plant receives exactly what it needs. When it needs it, then there's the brain of the operation, AI and data analytics. Artificial intelligence sifts through the mountains of data collected by sensors and autonomous machinery, predicting yield outcomes with remarkable accuracy, optimizing planting and harvesting schedules based on weather patterns, and identifying potential crop diseases before they spread. Building on this, digital twins are creating virtual replicas of entire farms. These sophisticated simulations allow farmers to test different scenarios, optimize layouts, and predict the impact of various interventions without ever touching the physical field. Finally, drones and advanced imaging systems provide an aerial perspective, constantly tracking crop health, identifying problem areas, and even assisting with targeted pesticide or fertilizer application. Each of these technologies not only fascinates with its futuristic capabilities, but also promises unprecedented levels of efficiency and sustainability. This isn't just theoretical, it's already happening. Let's look at some real-world case studies proving the power of Harvest 4.0. A pioneering example is the UK's Hands-Free Hectare project, where an entire field has been planted, maintained, and harvested solely by autonomous machines. It's a testament to what's possible when human ingenuity meets cutting-edge robotics. Across the globe, we see mesmerizing video clips of robot harvesters in action, from the gentle plucking of grapes in French vineyards to the efficient gathering of strawberries in California and the large-scale harvesting of wheat in North America. These aren't just proof-of-concept demonstrations, they're working models delivering tangible results. Companies are now providing before and after data, showcasing significant improvements in productivity, substantial reductions in operational costs, and a dramatic decrease in post-harvest waste. Behind these machines are dedicated engineers and visionary farmers, whose short interviews and quotes tell a compelling story of innovation and adaptation, humanizing the technological leap. The economic impact of Harvest 4.0 is truly staggering, extending far beyond the fields themselves. We're talking about a market opportunity for smart farming, hardware, and software that is rapidly approaching, and in some sectors, already exceeding $10 billion. This isn't just about new machinery sales. It encompasses an entire ecosystem of data services, AI platforms, and precision agriculture tools. The workforce is shifting dramatically. While manual labor roles may decrease, new high-skilled jobs in data science, robotics, engineering, and software development are emerging. This transformation is attracting significant venture capital and government investment, solidifying agtech as one of the most dynamic sectors for growth. And it's no surprise that Western markets, including the US, Canada, Australia, and the UK, are leading this charge, becoming global hubs for agricultural automation and innovation. Beyond the economics, Harvest 4.0 carries a profound moral purpose: sustainability and feeding the world. Automation inherently reduces waste by enabling more precise harvesting, ensuring crops are picked at optimal ripeness, and minimizing the intelligence embedded in these systems allows for precision water and fertilizer use, drastically reducing consumption and mitigating environmental runoff, a direct link to environmental conservation. Furthermore, the ability for remote operation means harvesting can continue even during extreme weather conditions, enhancing climate resilience. This technological leap directly contributes to the United Nations Sustainable Development Goal 2, aiming for zero hunger, by increasing efficiency and ensuring more food reaches more people. It's a powerful connection between cutting-edge technology and global well-being. However, no revolution comes without its challenges and risks, and Harvest 4.0 is no exception. We must maintain credibility by acknowledging the downsides. One major hurdle is the cost barrier for smaller farms. While large industrial operations can absorb the significant investment in advanced robotics and AI, many small family farms simply cannot afford it, risking a widening gap in tech inequality within the agricultural sector. Connectivity problems in rural zones also pose a substantial challenge. Without reliable high-speed internet, many of these data-driven systems cannot function optimally. Then there are the critical concerns around data ownership and cybersecurity. Who owns the vast amounts of data collected from farms? How is it protected from breaches? These questions are paramount for farmers' trust and security. Finally, there's the ethical dimension. Job displacement in rural communities could have severe socioeconomic consequences, requiring thoughtful policy and reskilling initiatives. As one farmer might wisely say, "We love the tech, but can we afford it? And what happens to our neighbors who can't?" Looking ahead, what's next for harvesting? The future outlook for Harvest 4.0 is nothing short of aspirational, yet firmly grounded in current technological trajectories. We can anticipate coordinated fleets of robots and drones working in perfect harmony, a symphony of automation across vast landscapes. Harvesting as a service will likely emerge as a dominant model, allowing smaller farms to access advanced technology on a subscription basis, democratizing these powerful tools. This revolution will also link seamlessly with adjacent innovations like vertical farming, indoor harvests, and smart logistics, creating an interconnected food supply chain. Imagine a speculative animation of global digital food networks, where every crop from field to plate is precisely tracked, optimized, and delivered. The next 10 to 20 years will see agriculture transform into an intricate, intelligent ecosystem. But what does all this mean for you and me, the everyday consumer? Ultimately, this revolution translates into tangible benefits. Smart farming promises lower food prices due to increased efficiency, higher quality produce thanks to precision care, and greater sustainability for our planet. Imagine a world where every item on your plate has a clear traceability story. Ensuring from smart farm to your table truly means ethical and sustainable sourcing. This raises an interesting interactive question. Would you pay a little more for robot-harvested produce, knowing it was grown with minimal waste and maximum efficiency? It connects global systems to our individual responsibility, encouraging ethical consumption and an understanding of where our food truly comes from. Video transitions back to a visual montage, starting with drone shots of automated fields at sunrise, then close-ups of perfectly harvested produce, farmers interacting with tablets controlling robots, and finally, a diverse family enjoying a fresh meal. Uplifting, hopeful music swells. From the manual labor of millennia past to the intelligent, connected harvesting systems of today, we have witnessed a profound transformation. The next revolution in agriculture isn't just about planting, it's about harvesting, ensuring every crop counts and every bite is sustainable. Harvest 4.0 is the hidden revolution, working quietly beneath the surface to feed our future. What are your thoughts on autonomous farming? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this insight into Harvest 4.0 fascinating, please like this video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the Fields of Innovation channel for more deep dives into the future of agriculture. Smart farming starts here, and we're just getting started.